If you like s'mores, this is the place for you. Casey Montoya has taken us to a spot that is all about the gourmet marshmallow. Take a look.
Jessica, we are at LA's first marshmallow toasting bar. It's called Plush Puffs here in Burbank, California, where you can make custom crafted s'mores with all different flavors of marshmallows, and their ingredients are all made right here in their kitchen. I cannot wait to go inside and try this. I'm with the owner and creator, Ann Hickey. How'd you come up with this idea?
Well, this is actually an old idea. When we first started, we went out, making the marshmallows really out of our homes. We would make them and then we would take them and go to craft fairs. We noticed that as we were sampling them, that if we toasted them, we started to get like lines down the aisle. It became like an aha moment. Yeah, so toasting these really brings out the flavors.
So this is my friend Deanna Espear. She is Swiss English, and I figured anyone who grew up in the Swiss Alps has to be a connoisseur of chocolate and all things sweet. So I'm gonna try Simply S'mores. Which one do you want?
I think strawberry wild because pink is my favorite color.
Yeah, you have to taste those. Sydney cinnamon, that's also good too.
Oh yeah, and look at the chocolate chip.
This is probably going to be my favorite part, watching you do this,
Yeah.
because as a child, I remember putting a marshmallow on a coat hanger and putting it in a fire.
Exactly.
This is much more civilized. And the smell, it smells like you're at a campfire.
It does.
Toasting marshmallows.
I just see chocolate and pink and glitter, and it's everything I want in life. Everything.
So on to your toppings and drizzles. So the toppings are things like slivered almonds, toffee bits, Oreo pieces.
I think I want chocolate chips. I want to go very traditional.
Okay.
Can you guess which one I want?
Sprinkles.
100%.
Okay, we have rainbow sprinkles for you. Now get a choice of your chocolates. You have dark chocolate, milk chocolate. We've got salted caramel, white chocolate, Nutella,
Oh my gosh.
and a spicy honey.
Ah, spicy honey.
I'm gonna do a milk chocolate.
Man, that is so good.
Mine is delicious.
Well, it definitely tastes like a traditional s'more. And the spicy honey, if anyone else is like me, you've never had that before, it gives it just a perfect kick. Is it on my face? Jessica, you have to check this place out. So how did it compare to all your Swiss treats?
So it's definitely more decadent, but it's not overwhelmingly sweet, so I love it.
I loved it too. Cheers.
Cheers.